What's up, Bounce House School? Here is how to get your business on Google Maps without listing your address and without giving your home address away to the world. I know a lot of you guys are working from home. You don't have a warehouse yet, so you don't want everybody knowing your address. And for that reason, you don't have a Google Maps account. And that's wrong. You don't have to put out your home address in order to be on Google Maps. So I'm going to show you guys how to get your business listed on Google Maps without showing your home address. And this is by creating a Google business profile, what used to be called a Google My Business account, or GMB. All right, let's jump right in. So the first way to do it, and this probably will not apply to you, but let's not even do it. I was going to have you look up to see if your business is on Google Maps. Here's the crazy part. A lot of times your business is already on Google Maps. You just don't know it. Don't ask me how. Google has their little cars that drive around. Probably won't apply to you because you don't have a storefront. But sometimes if you post your business one place, they'll list it on Google as well. So I always like to check first, is the business on Google? Because if it is, you can claim it, right? And it's crazy because one of your competitors can actually come and claim your business. They'll ask them to verify, but here's the best way to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to go to google.com/business. And when you're there, you're going to click Get Started. If you already have an account, then you can sign in, but just click Get Started. And then it's going to say, what's your business name? We're going to call it the Bounce House Company. Oh, somebody already took that name. Interesting. So that's not a great name, but we're going to go. If this is you, then you click it. If it's not, then you click this. Business category, you're going to put Party Equipment Rental Service. You can add additional categories later. Then you're going to click Next. And from there, do you want to add a location where customers can visit? This is it, guys. This location will show up on Google Maps. No, they cannot visit us because we go to them, right? You're going to click Next. Google they already know what we do. Where do you serve your customers? Here's where you put your service area. So what I want you to do is don't list like one big town. Like if you're in Houston, don't put Houston. Put all the little cities, right? If you service Houston, then put Houston. But put all the little cities that you service. So Orland Park, and let it like pick from the list. Orland Park, Lamont, Frankfort. All right, that's Kentucky. That's wrong. Yeah, make sure that this is a big problem actually. You see how I did that? This is Frankfort, Kentucky. Make sure that, and I'm in Illinois. So make sure that when you put a name, there are multiple Frankfurts and you want to choose the right one. I did this by mistake once and I was wondering, why the heck am I getting calls from another state? You might be wrong set up like this. All right, so you're gonna click Next. Now it's going to say, what's your phone number? 708-123-4567. Yep. And then definitely put in your website. This is going to give you a strong backlink. All right, verification time. So you have to enter your mailing address. And check this out. The address you provide will be hidden from the public. Post office boxes are not eligible. So just put in your home address. And what they're going to do is they are either going to send you a letter. If you're lucky, they'll just send you a letter with a code that you can just enter in here. But most likely what they've been doing recently is asking you to do a video verification. I can do another video if you guys need a video on how to do video verification. Go ahead and comment below. Let me know. But there are pretty good videos out there on that. It's tough. You have to like literally show a video of the street that you're on and then run back in the house and then show that you own the business. It's good because nobody can claim your business. But if you're lucky, I don't know if they're still doing this, they will just mail you a thing. You put your address here and you hit Next and you're pretty much done. In the next video, I'll show you guys how to optimize your Google business profile. All right, so if you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and comment your city and your state. Let me know what questions you guys have. Let me know, is your business already on Google? Did you have to create it from scratch? Or did you just claim it and it already exists on there? So I will see you guys on the next video. Check out the Google Business Profile optimization on our channel. I'll see you guys there.